going to be showing you guys exactly how to do it. It actually works, guys. It's super insane. Hey guys, so if you play the game One State RP, I'm going to show you guys in this video how to download a modded version of One State RP, which gives you unlimited coins. So as you can see, I'm pretty low, but when I press this button, I can actually go ahead and get unlimited coins. So I just maxed it out right here, so let's see if the coins go up. And then I'm going to show you guys how to download this One State RP modded version so you can get unlimited coins in 2026. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So as you can see, this is what we got right now, really bad. So hopefully it starts going up, and then I'm going to show you guys how to do this. And bang guys, as you can see, the coins are increasing. So if you guys want to get rich on One State RP, keep watching the video, and I'm going to show you guys how to download this One State RP modded version for your device. Alright, so it's really easy to download. So the first thing we're going to do, guys, is go ahead and go onto this website, which is called matrixmods.com. Alright, so this website, guys, has like a lot of different like apps and stuff. So just put in One State RP, press download, and before it downloads, it's going to be a verification. So you just got to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's completely free, guys, from official app stores. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to download here. As you can see, so basically at the end, guys, it just says missing files. So you want to download like 2 of these apps. So we got like Family Island, which says reach level 11. This is like a game, so I would just play it until I was level 11. Then we've got Travel Town, which says install and reach level 9. So this one's like a game as well, so I would just play it until I was level 9. So yeah, this is super cool, guys. So that's how to get it for your device. So this works in 2026. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, this is super cool, guys. So if you want to get it for your device, be sure to try it out. So yeah, this is crazy stuff, guys. So yeah, I hope the video works for you guys. I haven't had any problems with this at all, but I'm gonna see you guys in another video, so be sure to subscribe to the channel, and you guys should be able to download this One State RP like modded version for your device. So yeah, it's super cool. You can see right there. So yeah, this actually works, guys, so try it out. Hopefully it works, and yeah, you should be able to get rich, so enjoy it. And yeah, so this is crazy stuff, guys. It's actually ready for you and everything. So if you are poor in One State RP, guys, keep watching and you will learn how to download the One State RP modded version for your device. 2026 works on iOS, works on Android. So if you are tired of being poor, guys, it is time to shake up the game with a One State RP modded release. So I'm going to see you guys later, but be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys. This is super cool, and peace out, my squadron.